Hi, Chandler.
Dummy, dummy.
Where are you going? Can you say hi?
Hi.
What else can Chandler say?
Say.
Say. Can you say potty?
Package.
Potty? Can you say uncle? Where are you going? Where are you going?
Going.
Can you say uncle?
Going. Going.
Can you say grandma?
Papa.
No, grandma. You say grandma?
Oh.
Does that scare you?
Oh. Say. Say what? I say.
Are you crabby?
Quiet.
Crabby?
Quiet.
Quiet?
Quiet. Quiet. I.
Hi. Where are you going?
Going.
Where are you going? What do you think you're doing? Can you say snuggle?
No.
Can you say supper?
Supper.
Oh, good job.
Some.